To create a new key object selection, select the desired images by clicking the checkbox in the bottom right corner of each panel. The total number of selected images will be displayed next to the Select/Deselect All Images button in the toolbar, which can be used to easily deselect or select all images in the study. Next, click the Create KOS button in the Tools section of the toolbar. In the window that opens, choose the identification category from the drop-down menu and optionally enter a note. Then, click the OK button or press the Enter key to confirm. Once created, the KOS can be displayed by clicking the funnel icon in the top right corner of the preview bar. If multiple icons are present, the desired one can be identified by hovering the mouse over each icon to view the KOS details. Clicking the icon again will display the entire exam.